Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at Flutter stream controller sync in Flutter. As you see, we're going to be doing a stream controllers in Flutter using Flutter hooks. We're going to use a text field, whereby that text field, whenever a person types something in a text field, we capture it and sync it with the title text widget. We'll be using Flutter hooks. As you see, I'll be using this latest version of Flutter hooks, version 0.18.4. So let's start by installing Flutter hooks. We use this command flutter pub add Flutter hooks to automatically add us the latest version of Flutter hooks. As you see, Flutter pub get is running. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, here we'll start by creating a widget and call it homepage. This widget will extend a hooks widget. Let's import that. We'll be using a scaffold as usual. Next, here we'll be initializing a stream controller, which is both async and unobservable. To be taking in a string, don't forget that. So here let's create a simple app bar widget, which will be taking in a title as a text widget. So in our text widget, we will be using a stream builder. We enclose our text widget in a stream builder, which will always be updating it with updated data from the text field, of which the data will be a string. So in the stream builder, we have put the stream will be controller dot stream. Then the initial data, that will be the string that will be there at the text widget before it gets any updates from the text field. Then the builder will be the snapshot. Then the builder will be giving us the data through the snapshot. So the text widget will be taking snapshot dot required data, which will be the string coming from the text field that we are going to create in the body. So let's go to the body. Let's use the padding widget. I will give it a padding edgeinserts.all padding of 8. Then its child will be the text widget, text field, and the text field will put it some decoration, input decoration. We'll just use a simple decoration, which is the hint text. Yes, just put please type in some text in. Then you can utilize the onchanged argument of the text fields constructor in order to direct new values into the controller's sync. Let's wrap the padding widget with the center widget. We need to uncomment this. Okay, let's run the project and see the changes. So as we tap anything in this text field, it will be affecting the text widget in the app bar with the new values that you have tapped in the text field. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tips and tricks. See you next time.